What needs to be included in your resume? Your resume should include your contact information. That is your name, last name, address, email, and phone number. It should also include an objective. What kind of job are you looking for and why? What skills will you bring to the position? Please note your objective should be brief, anywhere between 2 to 4 sentences. You would also list your education. You will start from high school and on, listing the location, the name of the school, the graduation date, and GPA if it is higher than 3.0. You want to include skills. List any skills that you have, whether these are personal, technical, or language. Most importantly, you want to include experience. Start with the most recent experience and work your way backwards. Include paid employment, apprenticeships, work-based learning, job shadowing, volunteer work, or seasonal work. Note your position, title, company name, dates of employment, and location by city and state. Finally, include any honors, awards, or activities. If you're part of any club, sports, or organization, include the dates of participation. Include any school or community awards if you're part of honor roll or have obtained any scholarships. Now that you have reviewed the components of a resume, it's time to build your resume. Close this video and go on Microsoft Word to choose a resume template, or use the template attached to this lesson.